Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do half square triangles from strips. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. What you'll need to do this is the Essential Triangle Ruler by Bonnie Hunter, or you can use a Flying Geese ruler. That will do the same thing. All of the quilts behind me use a half square triangle. It's a very versatile unit to use. There's so many possibilities in quilts you can make with it. You can mix it up like I've done here and do it out of strips, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, let's get started. So this method is similar to my no waste flying geese video. I will put a link to that in the description as well. And we're just going to take this ruler. What I like to do is I like to put right sides together of my fabric. So this is my background and my print, or whatever two are you going to use for your half square triangle. And here I have just like jelly roll strip. And then we're going to take our ruler and we're going to line it up with the 2-inch there, because these will finish at 2 inches. And we're just going to start cutting these. And then we flip it this way and do the same thing. And you can do that on down your strip. And then we're just going to take these to our machine. And we're going to sew along here 1/4 inch. So once we've sewn, and I sew from this end that doesn't have the point down to this side, it just feeds better through my machine that way. Then I set the seam and then I just press it open, and there you have a half square triangle. Now let me show you how you can mix this up with these strip sets. So I've sewn strips together, and then I'm just going to put my background fabric on top, right sides together, like this. And then I'm just going to line up my ruler. And I'm just going to cut it. And I will just do that on down my strip set. And then once again I'm going to take it to my machine, and like I said, I like to feed it through from this side. It just feeds better if you don't have the point there, and sew it on down, and you end up with these cute little half square triangles. They make a really cute little pinwheel, or if you noticed at the beginning of the video, my little table runner with the hearts. It's just something fun to play with. Next week I'll show you how to lots of different ways to arrange and put together half square triangles, so you can do some scrap busting that way. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.